Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Cleric time Pilgrammed. First, you need to understand what Cleric time Pilgrammed truly means within your game's lore and mechanics. This often involves a specific questline or a series of tasks designed for your Cleric character. Begin by locating the quest giver or the starting point for this unique journey. Ensure your character meets any prerequisite levels or skill requirements before proceeding. Gathering initial resources or specific items will also be crucial for a smooth start. As you embark on your pilgrimage, pay close attention to quest markers and dialogue. These provide vital clues and direct you through the narrative. You'll encounter various challenges, from combat encounters to puzzles. Effectively use your cleric's unique healing, protective, and offensive abilities to overcome these obstacles. Don't hesitate to interact with non-player characters along the way. They often offer crucial information or side quests that aid your main objective. The pilgrimage often involves performing specific rituals or blessings at sacred sites. These actions are integral to advancing your cleric's journey and unlocking new powers. You might also need to collect unique artifacts or complete specific trials that test your character's faith and resolve. Once these tasks are complete, return to the quest giver or the designated completion point. They will acknowledge your efforts and guide you to the next stage of your cleric's development. Upon successful completion of your cleric's pilgrimage, you will be granted significant rewards. These often include powerful new abilities, unique gear, or access to previously locked areas and content. This achievement marks a major milestone in your character's progression, enhancing their role and effectiveness. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals and to grab your own Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh ride. Enjoy your newly empowered cleric.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.